Welcome to our video tutorial on using free Lisp routines for utility functions. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful utility Lisp routines that can make drafting your engineering drawings much easier. Before we dive into the routines, make sure to visit our free Lisp page on our website to download these Lisp files. Simply register and log in to get access. Once downloaded, you can place the FAS or DES files in any folder of your choice. To load these programs, use the Upload command in AutoCAD. Let's start with the first Lisp routine, quickly create layers. This free Lisp is incredibly useful while working with CAD drawings. Normally, creating a new layer involves navigating through the interface, which can take some time, especially if you're frequently changing the layer color. With this Lisp, you can quickly create a layer from command prompts by specifying the color number. Load the Lisp program using the Upload command. Then, type QL at the command prompt, enter the layer name and color number, and the layer gets created instantly. This method usually takes less than 3 seconds. Next up is the Delete Layer Entities Lisp. This is especially handy for land survey drawings. In CAD, to delete a layer, you first need to remove all entities within that layer. This Lisp simplifies the process by deleting all entities in the selected layer. Load the Lisp program using Upload, then type DSL at the command prompt. Select an entity from the target layer, and the program will delete all entities in that layer. Moving on, we have the Scale Line Lisp. This routine allows you to scale multiple lines from their midpoint, which can save considerable time in certain projects. Load the program using Upload, type SLIN at the command prompt, select the lines to be scaled, and enter the desired scale factor. For example, entering 0.75 will shorten the lines, while values greater than 1 will lengthen them. Lastly, we have the Convert Arc to Line Segments Lisp. This is useful when arcs and polylines cause issues with other Lisp programs or when exporting data. Using this Lisp, arcs or circles can be converted into smaller segments of straight lines. This ensures compatibility and ease of export. Load the program using Upload, type ARTL at the command prompt, select the arc or circle. You can see that program has created lines along the circumference of the selected arc or circle. We hope you find these Lisp routines helpful for your projects. Don't forget to download these free Lisp files from our website. We also customize Lisp routines as per your requirements. Send a sample drawing to info@esurveying.net if you need a custom Lisp. Thanks for watching and happy drafting. Contact eSurveying Softtech if you want to see a free demonstration of our Road Infra Suite or Water Infra Suite. Visit our website for more tutorials and free resources.